Riverine Squadron 1, or Riveron 1, conducted a hot extract drill with the Royal Netherlands Marines off the coast of Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, February 4th during the multinational Bold Alligator Exercise 2012.
It boosts our capability. It shows that we can work with multiple forces, doing hot and cold extracts.
Conducting drills of this type ensures the squadron is capable of performing these missions and enables them to further their skills by learning from foreign militaries. It also strengthens the unity between U.S. forces and our allies.
Typically when we go in, if it was a hot extract, that means we got guys on the beach or there's someone on the beach that needs us to come in because they're either being engaged and we need to go in and suppress the fire on the beach.
From Washington, I'm Petty Officer Shannon Burns.